Engineering at Home, with Stephen the Engineer. Have you ever noticed the invisible lifeline that sustains our modern lives? Hint: it's not oxygen, but close. It's your home internet connection. A marvel of network engineering that empowers your endless binge-watching, spontaneous online shopping sprees, and yes, the infinite scrolling. Hold on to your devices, because we're about to embark on a riveting journey through the wires and wireless signals. Wi-Fi. A 5-letter word that holds the power to make or break your day. Have you ever wondered how this magic works? What makes it possible to stream that favorite series without a hitch or frustrate you with the dreaded buffering symbol? Your router, a compact box often tucked away, is like an unsung superhero. It is the gateway to the World Wide Web, transforming digital signals into Wi-Fi. But how, you ask? Well, get ready to unravel the mystery. At its core, the router does one job: it routes, as the name suggests. It directs traffic, ensuring that the right data gets to the right device. And in an era of smart homes, with countless devices connected, you bet it's got a tough job. Now, let's zoom in on the magical frequencies that make Wi-Fi possible. Ever heard of the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands? They're like invisible highways for data. The 2.4 GHz band is like a congested, slow-moving road with a long range, while the 5 GHz is your fast lane with a shorter range. Navigating these lanes is key to a smooth internet experience. Here's where the fun starts: network optimization. Think of it as the art of arranging these data highways to your advantage. And yes, it's a thing. Even a minor tweak can make a big difference in your browsing or streaming experience. And, of course, there are also ways to enhance your home network security. Remember, with great Wi-Fi power comes great responsibility. And then there's your modem. It's the quiet achiever that works behind the scenes, converting signals from your internet service provider into something your router can handle. It's the unsung hero behind your home internet connection. A small box playing a big role. So, when you next witness the glory of a 4K video streaming flawlessly on your device, give a nod to the intricate network of engineering working tirelessly behind the scenes. From your router and modem, to the invisible Wi-Fi bands carrying data through the air, to the cables running under the sea connecting continents, they all play a part in delivering the internet to your screens. In conclusion, mastering your home internet connection is about understanding these elements and respecting the engineering behind them. It's a ticket to better, faster, and more secure browsing, streaming, gaming, and working. Well, time for you to go and cast a discerning eye over your home network. Good luck and happy surfing!